garden seeds. I wanted to show you a wonderful thing to do when you have an abundance of sweet peppers and onions, such as what we've got in our trial garden this season. This is one of Renee's favorite ways to prepare them, and it's so easy, and I'll show you what we do. So my sweet peppers, I just cut them open and take out the seeds. These don't have too many seeds. Just pull out the seeds and the little ribs. And my onions. And I'm going to coarsely chop these all into about 1-inch chunks. I've got all my peppers and onions cut up into big 1-inch chunks, and I'm just going to put these all in the pan together. This is an excellent way to use a lot of peppers and onions when you have an abundance. I cut up a pretty large quantity because it all cooks down quite a bit. Got my pan full here, and I'm going to coat these pretty well with olive oil. A couple sprinkles of pepper. And some garlic salt. And then I'll just use my hands and get it all evenly coated. It's a really versatile dish. Now these are ready to go in the oven, and I have my oven preheated at 375. We're going to cook these, let them roast for about 25 or 30 minutes until we see them nice and brown. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and I'm going to take my peppers and onions out of the oven, and it's very cooked down, and the edges are nice and browned. And you can see it all cooks down a whole lot. So you can make a big batch of peppers and you'll have plenty to save. So I'll just scoop my peppers and onions onto the plate, and you can use it for different things. You can make a big batch and you can have it for dinner served over rice or potatoes or pasta. You can put it on eggs. You can eat them by itself. It's really, really delicious. The varieties I use to make this dish are Renee's sweet Spanish onions, which are available online, and are the red bell peppers and orange bell peppers from Renee's jewel tone sweet bell peppers. All of these seeds are available at reneesgarden.com if you want to grow them yourself. I hope you found this useful, and if you decide to make this dish, I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks for watching.